Hello, my name is Claire and I am a first year student on the CABAN BA Primary Education QTS course at Bangor University. As you can probably tell, I am a mature student and this is a career change for me. I've been asked to let you know why I chose Bangor as the university that I wanted to study at. Initially, it was all about the location. Bangor is very close to home and therefore extremely convenient. However, on reflection, I did visit other universities' open days, and I was particularly impressed by the tutors and lecturers at Bangor and their passion and commitment for this new CABAN course. There was a definite excitement and buzz in the room, and I really wanted to be part of that. So, how is the first year going so far? Well, currently it's a little bit different, but on the whole, the year has been incredible. The tutors and lecturers are outstanding. Their wealth of knowledge and experience, both inside the classroom and as academics, is unprecedented. And I feel extremely lucky to be part of that. I have to say, though, that the best part of the year so far has been school experience. I was very lucky to be placed in an excellent school with really supportive staff. It's just been an incredible experience. I've learned so much. It really solidifies why I chose primary education as my career change. So it's been a very exciting time. Luckily, we had finished all of our school experience before the schools closed. And currently, we are having online lectures, which is a little bit tricky for me at the moment because I have a 2-year-old. However, the support I have received throughout the course, but particularly at the moment, has been incredible. I'm just really looking forward to going into my second year in September.